And you're a bit.
Are you recording? Sorry, you're going to have to cut this all out.
I know what you're going to do. You're going to do the blooper thing. Hi everyone and welcome to Next Best Move, filming live from our AI for Growth event. Neil, if you had to sum it up, how should AI be playing in the workplace right now?
All organisations should be looking at how to deliver more efficiency, more effectiveness, fundamentally taking the informal use of AI at the desk and turning it into specific business use cases, whether that's around client management, improving operational efficiency, or actually generating new revenues and opportunities. That's what will get businesses growing and invested in for the future.
How do businesses start? Do they buy, build, or partner?
The world of AI is a bit like the gold rush at the moment, and I actually feel that partnership is absolutely key because it allows you to learn from different businesses in the same industry or alternative industries, and taking all of those learnings will actually accelerate businesses.
So we're here with Matt Gerard from Reddit. If brands haven't tried Reddit before, why now?
The opportunity for brands is really to connect with really influential communities. I don't think it can be understated how impactful, authentic and open conversation can be for informing great brand creative.
So if a brand wanted to start on Reddit tomorrow, what is the smartest and simplest way?
The first port of call is to listen. All of the conversation and all of the posts on Reddit happen within very specific communities that are based around certain passions or interests, and so each community has their own little microculture. Understand what the kind of sentiment is in jokes before inserting yourself and kind of getting involved with paid media as well.
So what is the biggest misconception that brands have about Reddit?
Perhaps the scale. We now boast over 440 million weekly active users and have been hosting human conversations for the past 20 years now. We're expanding massively into international markets, really allowing brands to connect with customers at a global level.
So I'm now here with Tom Wallace. How do you see AI impacting Compare the Market's business?
It is impacting us enormously, both in terms of the way that we operate internally and the way that we can be more productive as a team and as an organisation, as the way that we can serve our customers as well.
How do you accelerate your ability to respond to this changing landscape?
Absolutely leaning into working with vendors and partners for particular use cases. Other people can do it really, really well. That's all they do. Most vendors are willing to do proof of concepts. We've also got a foundation in place in terms of our AI governance setup that allows us to move quickly. We can offboard and try something different if we need as well. And for the things that only we can do, a specialist knowledge, our IP, then we have a team of people that work on that, dedicated set of engineers, product managers and so on.
Yesterday we heard that the UK government is really investing in training the entire population in AI. What is the way to go in bringing everybody within your organisation on that learning journey?
Inspiring a culture of curiosity. The best thing that I see when it's working well is people smiling, people being delighted about what can happen. We started with the stick method. If you're not using it, then you're going to not get a good rating. 10 times more effective, of course, is how exciting is this? Look at what your colleagues are doing. This is amazing. We have a big sort of training piece in as well, not just in the specifics about prompting or anything like that. Even foundational stuff about how data works. People having that understanding really helps them connect with other areas of the organisation that are involved in the sort of nuts and bolts of building it.
Thank you.
My pleasure, Debbie. Thank you.